Yes, I salute all the country people them today, the number 25 day inside the month of February 2021. We una countryman as una sabi, Clovis the come live for talk with the country people them today. So as you join me, press your share button. Yeah, press your share button because it be very important to press your share button. Yeah. So today I just want to talk of how the various way for see tell the world the Amber Boys and how they fit surrender for save their life. The procedure where they get for follow them for save their life. Because I dey see they realize say most of them they see get some small doubt or some one or two things. So I'll deem them necessary for say this. So I need to come live today for tell them the various way how they get for save their own self and for tell them how they get for go. So when you join me today, press your share button. Yes, I get some videos where before I wan go for the message proper and some audios them where he come up from the Amber world. I get some video where he come up from Eric Tato, he own mob, we use the own mob confess. Then I get some audio, there was some WhatsApp group where we dey all this Amber food them inside. Our black leg, the queen of all black leg, Susie Spark be ask Nigella some question. So Nigella be answer that question to don't go hear what be that question. The barbaric act where the terrorists don't do people that picking them to don't know hear with our own ear. So I not forget say when our sister Susie Spark there, it go come live for Media Prime to Africa, Media Prime. So I know am around today. So una know the exact time wey IPP dey use to come live. So una go join me for the una encourage it by pressing share button. So no forget as you join me today, press your share button because it be very, very important. Because today it go save so many lives. Many people go know the truth of wetin wey e dey happen behind the scene. Wey they call themselves Amber terrorists. This fool them, they call themselves ADF and so on, IG and so on. So today una go get the reality. So before we wan go for the message proper, we'll play our beautiful anthem before we start. So as you join me, press your share button. Yes, thank you very much. As you join, press your share button. Yeah. Before we go for the messages proper, I get some videos from this Eric Tato. May open him up, tell na papa mommy them, wait till where it pass for ground, wait till where people dey go through. Yes. For tell una say most of this will tell them that they can't talk about because waiting. We don't tell us there are some people that don't want anything end because they fit fact of it. Hector will use the own more for tell una more than here. Una press on a share button. Now listen.
Our very steady policy to ensure that we remain professional on this platform despite the rantings of some, I think we call them illegal straws who don't at all understand how journalism is practiced. And they at every moment expect that because Eric Tato is of English-speaking Cameroonian, he must desecrate his platform, his business, his media organ, and go absolutely contrary to all media tenants just to please their egocentric tendencies. Just to remind you, our job as a media organ is to report the truth regardless, or we simply would just stay quiet if you don't want to report the truth. But as it is, National Telegraph belongs to a fighter, and the Lion editor-in-chief would always report the stories the way they're happening, regardless of your concerns, so long as the report are not contravening realities and they are not against journalistic tenets and journalists. With that said, I want to thank you for joining the show. Today we're going to look at some of the biggest lies and the biggest mafia in the armed conflict in Cameroon's northwest and southwest, where we are baffled that both the separatists, some separatist leaders, and even government officials don't want this 4-year-old armed conflict to end, simply because it's been a new oxygen, a gold mine for them. Without the war, they will not enrich themselves, they will not pay their bills either from the side of the government or from the side of the separatists. And most, if not almost 80 or 90% of them have resorted to issues that will only prolong the war and consequently prolong the suffering of Anglophone Cameroonians or Southern Cameroonians or the people of the northwest and southwest.
Yes, thank you now very much. I don't hear Eric to open more tell now. There are some people, now the bitter truth that we don't talk about. That is the reality. There are people, they don't know one medicine, everybody continue to suffer every day, they make their money. For the both parties, them. Now they took that way there. But now that they suffer, that they poor mama and poor parents, they suffer every day, we don't get nothing. That is the reality. This thing is business. We don't introduce business for ourselves by putting our own for suffer every day. But the government, people they say the government don't want me end because they make money. They seek for political views. They use the name of Anglophone crisis, put up front, draw amber board and for Baba to go do evil. That is the reality. It don't open up tell now. So my Papa one tell I said the responsibility, the solution lies between me and you. Now we get to end this thing. Each community give to stand up, denounce this thing by fight for their own right. Kashi picking them, tell them they give or not give or they compromise them. See to happen for Campbell. They live a good life. No, be na Anglophone zone that. And they tell on the bitter truth. That is why people like us who there for the media will tell on this simple truth. If you are hoping for the government, a lie. I say fat lie. Now business you don't turn. Maybe we're there for the government, they turn for back. Go engineer, something no. And that is why they say people like us do not ever like them. We know all these things then. That is why we did out for save our people. We stand for our people, not for anybody. That's the reality. Don't be more tell now. And it talk against the it know if it desecrate a platform by putting the flag of Ambazonian for a bar because Amba na taboo. Like a journalist, no war, no support Amba. They look Amba like terrorism. That is a bitter truth. Anyhow, we think now you talk for a more maybe na me. Now you open talk am. It no fit put am because a disgrace. Yes. It also there's a difference between he like a journalist and when enter for that rubbish because that's a nonsense. Now they suffer na the common man. So I don't bring that these things for una to understand the reality which way they go on. They say open their mouth to tell una. I go still continue again for play another video again. Una hear am una take una ear take una eye see am. Don't know where to hold the talk.
The central government in order to re-establish their autonomy or sovereignty. But that does not mean that the Amazonian flag will readily be available for a news organ to use. And so let us do our job as journalists. All right? Let us do our job as journalists. Let us calm down. Because to be honest, the rate at which you put this place in Amazonia is so funny, it's alarming. Because you can't come on a platform and something's talking about Yaoundé and it's a Cameroon flag there, and you're telling me, oh no, why are you using Cameroon flag? Who amongst Ugandans have you seen asking us why we are using the Ugandan flag? When we report stories about Tigray and Ethiopia, do you see anybody from Tigray coming to ask us that we use the Tigray flag? Because there's no particular flag on Tigray that is already imputed on all the softwares. So we go with what is available and based on geographical jurisdiction. So please, give us a break and try to be mature, all right? Okay, with this said, so the next time you'll be making those comments, you only be making yourself very stupid, and a lot of people laugh at you when you do that, okay? We recognize the right of the English-speaking Cameroonians to demand for self-determination, to demand for a new country of their own, or re-establish their country. That is fine. But you must learn to separate this Eric Tato who is speaking here, doing an editorial as the CEO of National Telegraph and as a reporter and journalist of National Telegraph, and the Eric Tato that you know as an artist is very important for your survival. By the way, some of you think that Eric Tato should come on this platform and say some of the things he used to say when he's on the Eric Tato platform. Are you aware that Eric Tato platform doesn't exist no more? We cannot even create any account on our own with the name. So we are using this media organ, and I must remain very prudent because this is a legacy. This media organ was created in 2013 and was created with a goal and without the Anglophone crisis in mind. think it should end now. And how do we solve the problem? It should end. There should be a negotiated settlement where we see where it ends. Separation, fine. Whatever you choose. Remember that there are three categories of people who are fighting this war. One, the rebels who want total separation. The Cameroon government that wants a unitary state. And of course, there are moderates that want the moderates who want a federal state. And National Telegraph must represent the views of all these three persons.
So I thank una very much. Una don't take una eye chop Christmas. Una don't hear them. How to say open him up tell una say he want medicine end because there is not in no very well there is not independent. And he don't pull una the red. How I say Amber don't fail. Me I tell una fail big time because the very moment when I stand up say wait, una take other people their right and make some life because say wait, how you want achieve your right, how you want achieve your own right by seizing someone's own right. You know if you go, that's the reality. You don't tell us wait. There are three categories of people who they for Cameroon. People they want federal system the day. People they want unity state the day. People they want total separation the day. But you the separatist fighters, you the terrorist group, una want me na only una be hurt. Me the only hear na una by committing atrocity and here and there and there. But you feel understand say everybody get your own point of view. But every time you be understand all the point them, but you go out for support because you want to reach yourself. Because you want to make a point. Because you want to use that one, the medium, for take and make your money. Today, they can't talk the simple truth. Say, one minute, war, if it end. That is the truth. But I be not say all the category of people that they want to be continue the behead people, the massacre people, the concubine people for the rest of their life. Because of someone want their appointment end. So, me I told you like Amber Boy there for Bush, my brother, independent no day. That is the reality. You not ever talk for other people their behalf. No feel say because you carry a gun for your hand. Other people carry that gun more than you. But they understand that that's in a madness. Now the age of the turn a disgrace for him, like a journalist, for take Amber flag, put them for a back. For you use them for a media organ like a National Telegraph. Because it be disgraceful. Open it for now. Then you talk so they fight for waiting. That is the truth. Because waiting, we don't like the simple truth. When man can talk the truth, at times I used to look at it and so I be to say no, it's a chest or one time because they speak the truth at times. That's a bitter truth. But most of una because of waiting, una be corny some kind of way because waiting, no one make una points may be heard. Una want to communicate that position there by using people their own blood, innocent people their own blood, people they are poor picking them. They compromise them every blessed day and night because una want to score a point. Enough it go. So I just come out for show that the reality waiting it happen on ground and the reality waiting. They take their eye, their mob, they talk up. Instead of even create their own platform with their own name, they return on a face and land, and then they open up talk up. We use their word to educate others. My people, they're for ground. This thing lies for our hand. Don't hope for the government. May the government be for back, you there for front. Because inside the government, we get people that don't know what may end. Most people, they talk, blah, blah, blah. You see me, I don't work for the government. That's a bitter truth. Yeah, people that will go and know very well, say, when they see me, they are not happy. Because they spoil their business. That's the simple truth. And they tell you like my brother said, drop and save your life. They only use you for nothing. There is no independent. That is the truth. That is the truth. Now what's true one time? I don't tell now how I say no medicine end because people they suffer. That's the bitter truth. You know people they out they make their money every day. As I tell now today, so people they don't go shit down for big offices. They don't load them with billions of billions, millions of francs. So may they go for Anglophone crisis. When at the tail end they are making their money, they bring out false information for up. Which is not the reality. That is what they ever tell the government. Say no. The solution lies in the hands of the commoner, not diaspora, not your ministers. That is the bitter truth. No minister, I'm not picking for Bush. That one a fat lie. If the any minister of commander say no, if it disarms or picking for Bush, you lie. You not fit. No deal, no administration, no fit. The boy that they come out for Bush now because of the civilization for the country people there, because of their brothers, we and the commoner on ground. But they tell them the simple truth, so where it's going to happen to you. You as a minister, you not fit because they realize they don't lose focus of the elites them because una be corny. That is the reality for the day also be there. That is what they blame themselves. Whatever we are going through, we blame our elites. We blame our parliamentarians. We blame our mayors. We blame our chiefs. We blame all the people that use their own position for this country. Because most of them, they be the lie. Yes, because they want to make their interest. Why begin to suffer every day for ground? I stand for my brothers there because they lost their life every day. They are my brothers. The life don't over losses plenty. We need to reduce them. That is the bitter truth. Medicine end. Una say una learn, stop this nonsense. This thing you know go on again. If you drop their gun, you check your own self as my life, your own life. That person will keep 2 million for your head, you know, chop them again. This thing a business. As far as you hold that gun for your hand, you give the aspirant money, you give somebody that did government money. That's the bitter truth. That is the thing. Who the losses now you? When they compromise you end. Think, my brother. Yes. I come now to play this audio, where you come up for Capo Daniel. Una hear the so-called terrorists, wait the talk. For your own mob. Don't say na stop una one fighter, una one independent. Una reason I hear them. Na business. I come. Today I don't tell una say no. I don't mean for the so-called ADF them. When I shit down at the frame lies telling them, at the laugh una listen.
To go out there, write a statement claiming that Ayabacho make me a spokesperson of the ADF. Maybe if he wants my job, he should put a proper application and stating that I have called for the assassination of the Fon of Com 3 times in my audios.
So una don't hear that now. He called the assassination for the Fon of Com, made a kunkumaisi, made assassinate. And he talks to it. Now he has on one of people that they fight to it. Made a movie, the person talk of it, they give a position of waiting the defense chief chairman, how we talk him. The foolish man, they don't give them job. They don't get work for Europe. This thing don't can give them job. You Amba boy for good, you don't give job. You don't give money because you're stupid and don't have a reason. Definitely, yes, we'll be angry. That's a bitter truth. But my brothers, we understand that we Anglophone be marginalized. That's the simple truth. We not deny the fact that Cameroon no get problem. That one a fat lie. Anyone just about no get problem, a BB lie because there is a lot of problem. But gun and collars can never solve this thing. This Amba nonsense don't add more problem for we. That's a bitter truth. Let us end it and look for a way forward to build our country. Yes. I bet you that we stand up as a federation, if we don't get federation without nobody blood to spill down. But all this rubbish don't come inside. Anyone don't take a knife inside, use advantage of the straw of the boys and use them for score your own political view them. That is the reality. We are just a slave. Maybe I tell that the bitter truth on bush. We they work for other people. Leave the thing and start your life. That's a bitter truth. Now the year that they don't get job. They don't get things that they enjoy their life. Now they die every day for grand year. Can put them every come for grand gun. The answer no. It not fit. Defense chief. They don't give, get control, get position. But they fight on top position. That the very time they talk about President Paul Biya Seweti. I mean, more than see the reality. You know, if you would talk say one change, they put you for minister position. No, come on. It is show for you very well. All of them they fight position. They will fight for waiting. When a person share button. That's the reality. My brother, they're more wise. Yes, I come now. I want to play on the audio. Where you come on inside the house. What they inside with this amber food them. When Susie Spark be asked Nangela a question, say, for some other picking the way they be go for chacha, wait till Kunkuma after the picking the day. Una go here wait to where the so-called amber terrors they do people that picking the do now press on a share button. Una any cut the parts share them because it's very important. Una press on a share button. They confess now with their mob. Una go hear them. People that are picking them, una really cry. I was kind of Susie Spark his question where ask the woman, then I come for the woman own audio. Then pan number to be talk inside house the way I get the audio I go play for Ayuba Cho the aids of their map they get us say no go work. Una go hear una head. Una hear una ear, sorry. So una press una share button. Me I go now for the audio. Good.
See, my vex between I say people that are picking their love. People has been asking who said them are picking the, who said them are picking the. Any parent get right for taking picking go bury them. They go bury people that are picking their life. That's so terrible. Terrible. Some people that have, go see until some situation will happen. We know some people that have.
Yes, thank you. Nangela answer the question. Yeah, I'm gonna more.
No, Sparky, they don't find some. They realize they be jig the whole. No, Sparky, they don't find some. They realize they be jig the whole. Jig tell the picking they say me they jig who. That chacha them. They be tell them that circle them and no. They picking the dig hole. They put some of them alive. They put them where they alive. Then they cover them with ground. They never see all. They never see some all, but they don't see some majority of their graves them. So they dig them where they bury them alive. Some they tie their hand them and fold them. Yeah, but the people there for that, some people and even Bali became there for that group. No, he wasn't a fighter. He wasn't a fighter. He was just, he was a fighter, but not ATF. And some mark on picking the deputy with the pass too. But they follow these boys for pass, they want go I think Nigeria for go buy some their weapon or the whole money too. Yeah. That's what they talk say 23 were ADF. Some of them were not. Yeah, but they found some of the fighters killed. They dig grave, they knock, not say they kill them, shoot them, they put them inside, they tell them they dig a hole. They went to dig hole, they put them, bury them alive. Yep. It's so touching to talk the kind of thing them. It be touching, it be very, very inhumane. Yep. That's what Sako they do.
Chai, God. Chai. Now don't hear him now. He passed me for talk. They confess him. They catch people, they are picking them, tie their hand, dig or bury them alive. Amber versus Amber. People, they are picking them. People, they are picking them when they're born and they don't grow up to 20, 15 years, 30 years, 21 years. Una catch them. Una tie their hand, una dig hole, una bury them alive. Do not even shoot them. Do not shoot them. They tie their hand. They bury them alive. 37, 39 boys. Chai, my people. They when I talk say Amba Naweti. You know to they go my eye. Chai, my brothers them. Why people wicked? Now who the key who now? Who be our enemy? Now our real enemy now this Amba them. They take people that are picking them when I hear and find. So they talk as it be very sad for him to talk the kind of thing. But him will talk up. So now know what to be happen for Chacha and Efang big number. They bury other picking them alive. They don't even see them. They don't see that people that are picking them. Mommy go born picking, sponsor and suffer. The people reach everybody being a co-water and una come up from nowhere. Una colonizers picking them, fool them, send them for bush. After all, they fight for the very independent. When I pay their allowed that 500 pay picking them. 100 give no man. National that chop all the money. When I say turn again back. Kunkumas all the picking them. No, not only for killing picking them, now bury them alive. That is the highest evil. Me ask you, they watch me today. Who be your enemy? If you see Amba na Balok, they tie human being in hand. Get the talk now. They tie in hand. They tie their hand and so dig hole. Human being see die for an eye. They cover the inside hole. The very people they talk they fight for independence. They talk say make the world can look now. Make Balok catch all now. Sam no don't try. May God bless you now so don't do it for gang here. We thank you very much for the diaspora. May God bless you now the Amba supporter them. We now continue. May God continue for the bless you now, for the good work that they do. For the people that begin their life there every day. You don't hear now. For every day. People want to talk the truth now bound now. Me ask us one thing. Now wait to be happy where Efang go do it for Bui. No be now Ayuba Choi be send Efang say may go kukumas cha. At the time and Chacha nan double it overpower them. The very way we be send me they can finish with Nambere. I go play Nambere on Ojo for here. When Nambere overpower other picking and catch them. You come out. You see, look at them again. You send them again. Maybe they go for Bui. Church and hold up picking them. Oh, wait till happen. And come the course come call them. You talk say come say they tell them picking their hand. They dig hole Chris out of them. May they bury them alive. They also they fight for struggle. Una so they defend we. Una so that our own people them. My Amba boy them. My brother don't listen very well. Una understand. Now witchcraft. You forbid that person to bury them alive. You forbid among them. Ask yourself a question. Say you forbid that person. But you dare alive because God get a purpose for your life. My brother, think wise. Wise yourself and smart. That is the truth. When I see the evil where they go for gang here. See the evil. But most of them never know what to happen. But that way Efang be escape for that consummation where they want catch it. Efang run come up for Kugwe for Batibo. What to happen? That mean they can't ask Efang say now. First they are picking them day. What did Efang do? Efang take gun, shoot them and meet them. Go inside with a battle and very well. Shoot people that go inside bush. Kill them. Kukumais them all. Mami they naked themselves, empty last with effort before the KC. I said, have a batibo. Na lie, AJF. Who can I evil when I get them? The mama you might get them for Cameroon when you walk some people there for here. By 10 people that come picking their life every day gang. Sam no. Or the wait to another day. Look me for wait to another day. That game no go work. When they see where it happen. They wanna talk so they support this thing them. You let support of Amber. Ask yourself, say no. To true even your own biological picking, your own daughter, or your own son. We don't grow up for my age. Look, I'm the sending for Bush and may go die. They catch the bury alive when they fight for the same cause we all are capable that they fight for independent. Angel they fight for independent. Actually fight for independent. You will tell me any reason why this one they catch one bury alive? You know in a business. That's the bitter truth. When they talk of dialogue and negotiation with who? When they want to finish key up when I come picking up a gang here or when they want to score a point, you know go. Mommy, papa, I don't want to ask you now. May we more forget about anything, more face the reality. Whether you are an Amazonian terrorist or not, ask yourself the Amber terrorism. Put yourself very well. Ask yourself a question. If you're your own brother, your own small brother, or your own picking, they do, I'm sure you go feel how. Not be 139 human being. I want us to La Republic don't ever bury who so alive that kind of number. More face the fact. Una say La Republic, I mean on our enemy. But they don't bear on them alive. If it Al-Qaeda, then it happen so. And by the worst to ever happen. Sam, the worst revolution, the worst terrorism ever happen for the well. When me and Nona Amber. Now the most dullest revolution when they think am. When I comment, na foolish. If it Boko Haram, need any own. So because of position on one time, they never get control, they fight them. Break people that won't pick their life. Oh, I can't talk, talk rubbish. Now talk rubbish. My people, this thing need to end. That way happen for Bruce, just example where it go continue. It never end. Now your own picking them for Bush, now you go losses. Now better to say the picking them be angry. They enter with good faith. But now for diaspora, when I use the picking their weakness, their ignorances, because they're stupid, that's the reason they be frustrated. When I use them against our own money. Now use them to make una money by frustrating the beginning on ground here. They work every day. They never think about no man. They never think about no man. I want to show us on something. Mona tell me. Play with the Monday. I just come today. I see the picture of my phone. Just there for a group of say me I come. When I full people, they so go take care for their five family. When I own family, they for diaspora, they enjoy. They live good life. We are not play with the Monday. Now in this, we are not play with the Ayeke. What's that day? What's Ayeke day? We are not play with Ayeke woman day. We are not play with all the people around there. The woman they are picking a day. They suffer every day for grand here. We are stand still and see instigate this thing for grand here because they want score point. Because some of them don't get agreement with some people that for the government they make magu. Say after this thing, you get highest gun for ground. You can't negotiate or give position or give this. It not go work. Down a map on the play, I mean, no go work. No man no take Cameroon Ronian pass a man for the place. All we are Cameroon Ronian. All we are Cameroonian. That's a bitter truth. It no go work. No people that are picking them for granted. They enter with good faith. When if you tell me one will never pay for that, I want to ask now for that. Now if you tell me one picking, they don't pay for the fight. Now if you tell me what will not think about a family, where you want to think about it, where even sick parasite for 400 for the buyer for you. No. But now, for instigate them, make the losses their life every day. They want to talk so weighty. They support weighty. We can't tell the truth because we're there for ground. When they talk rubbish, my devil diaspora here for him, my brother. Now banga, no kind charm. Now wait see. The one town I say no. Now you're picking there. If you care living for that bush, they will finish them. They will finish them all. As a matter of time, they will finish them all. Now I say wait till the Amber no finish with you. Civilian will finish with you. I'm in there with you. You want to stand for us, you like Amber boy, listen to me. Check your sense. The government don't apologize here. He don't do the president. He don't open the top, open the give hand of peace. We understand. See, Cameroon get a problem. But there's a way we can go about it. Not being a bygone and Colorado favor solve nothing. If you tell me one good way Amber ever do, one way this so struggle, did it terrorism don't create for the country. Now it's the more harm. Many people don't run their home them. It feel for many people, they don't frustrate. People they risky their life, they will tell the truth, they talk rubbish. We know very well. Yeah, we know the government get on koni. Most of the government will be well corrupted. We have people in this government that are well corrupted. You know, if you look them, you know, we do nothing good about the country. And most of una Cameroon they work like how they call them bush faller. My way they for white man country. And that's why they work now for Cameroon here. They will put you in a position you work like bush faller. Bush faller person waiting. If you there for Europe, if find their money, no care. Not there for Cameroon here. Most of them for public service and they work like say for white man country. Una the thief. Do bad thing, the corruption, can't thing them. We understand all the thing about them. We know say no. We be the fight for auditing them. We understand. But if we not look at very well, where to be bargain for the way to the day today. The only thing I will turn back to see how we arrange these things. We know, yes, we know say the government may be there before we decide to go enter for bush. That's a bitter truth. But we know say enter for bush, it not solve nothing. It's a create more problem. That's the reality. But boy, the more reason and very well. Colana will solve the thing. For how many years? How many lives we don't lose them? How many of you don't lose them? How many? We don't make people don't be orphan. You know, boy, don't get papa. So once I don't even know papa face, my brother, then now it's why some of you don't take that money we get out of that bush? Why will be wicked for ourselves? Why we wicked? Why we wicked? I thank you very much. Now I'll go now for the message proper way. A title and say, how can an Amber boy surrender? Now the message that proper. I'm not going to show the reality. I'm sorry. Maybe I play the last audio where for Panambere voice so that when I finish, more no mix things them up because I know I mix things them up. Yeah, so that we'll get the message clear and understanding. So when you come out for one place, we go to another. Yes, I go play a moon here. Now press on a share button.
Good evening and happy new week. It's about 2 days on past the week and about 3 days is which I just thank my God will create me and say my God will create me a very great God. And the God will support me is a very great God. I don't ever tell about who be ATF. Now just the same God now they just punish and say made a bit exposed so that some people they never get sense they will get sense. Some people they never get sense they will get sense. I tell you now for inside the Cameroon will the Cameroon problem will get and the Cameroon crisis will get them. ATF get the own opposite group where they work with when they be the Cameroon government but not some people where they know that mean where they know this that mean they disagreement where they see bring disorder the Cameroon government. Now them the engineer the group for be strong and firm. Then they work with Mr. Dr. Chu Ayaba or that Chu Ayaba for Norway. They work with hand and glove. You understand? So when I never begin understand the thing they go. Maybe today I don't tell that thing that sins. I don't tell that thing that sins. Chumaya one day in a confession that way make I say all them they work with government. All them, all the group, all they get all the various CEOs, mayors, governor, their number them. They get on their phone. So me I don't really know the system but this country they operate. I don't really know how people they work. It's not if you over talk to the kill you. Then me I the win that the first man will confront me first. First man, the first group where they come and be sure. Something that will happen, and when people they will hear, they will go see them. The first group where they are fronting, people go hear. Because I don't leave my skin so I lie. I don't fit leave my skin so because I already watch you go up and down. People they don't want me peace come back when they catch the plenty past people where they want me peace come back. And me where you see me so my suffer me at the suffer will say me peace come when they catch it. I didn't see how I be suffer fight say more go get that Christian independent when they talk so will get them. Where they will never can get a own they ever say and see them. That very chief what be the say that time that the very chief with that man just tell us something. Any man when no say I was saying peace no come for Cameroon. Me the man knows I be number one enemy. Me put me so for inside a blacklist because now the way me will meet up I know will make now video again. Now the people will make video because who the point they go come up with that very minute. And they talk I can't be now who even as some governor I can't visit to discover say you be blackleg for this peace for Cameroon where you work for the two side. You know how I mean peace come. And start doing a cool point them. Better blow. Cameroon government know you, Cameroon government know me. The whole world know me. internationally they know me. And sometimes they even know you now only because Olo Cameroon. You need someone temper and discover say you know me peace come out in Cameroon or see blue go come out day. Smart discover some man. Or make a to understand to say no meet a Roman fighter they go bushware. I will tell you say today na my day will die. They will prepare some die with them. When I play na plone and every no safe. Say me sure ya but say we don't go fight say they can't catch on the bush we. When I keep take gun they give say they go take fight and they go Nigeria. I see una Licho na make of Cameroon at the Siona. When I continue, when I never know the opponent plot and say when I play you know me please come out the Cameroon or see blue go come out day. Smart discover some man. Or make a to understand to say no meet a Roman fighter they go bushware. I will tell you say today na my day will die. They will prepare some die with them. When I play na plone and every no safe. Say me sure ya but say we don't go fight say they can't catch on the bush we. When I keep take gun they give say they go take fight and they go Nigeria. At the Siona Licho na make of Cameroon at the Siona. When I continue, when I never know the opponent plot and say when I play that mafia on the plan we can't see. I look on an eye. I just keep playing and play. Yeah, go take fight and they go Nigeria. At the Siona, Licho na make of Cameroon at the Siona. When I continue, when I never know the opponent plot and say when I play.
So I thank you very, very much. Now the map that way Ayubacho get them with some people there. That's a bitter truth. Man, they fear nothing. Nothing. That's a if you fear, man, tell you, you see life, the worst thing in life now fear. Fear alone pass if you sick where you sick. When the sick head or the sick headache or the sick kind of sickness where bad pass. If you fear, say you go end up with your life, you go end up. Not that sickness don't kill that fear. So the best thing for you, human being, for do that will move fear away from you. That is the bitter truth. That will move fear away from you. See that way I be tell Nambere, say Nambere, if you do some big mistake, for leave a fan may exist. You for finish with it that time. I be up to now the see next with it. He go tell you. Because you know why? It's in a baddest group. Man, no. Me, when I just talk be tell you, what you tell me. I tell you, you pay me at the vex with you. Because now you go make command they release that full A-fan who all down their group them so don't and people that picking themselves at that level. Because if the A-fan will go down that day, all them so that picking that 39 when they die so no forever die. That's the bitter truth. Una hear?
Yeah, Clovis, if you ever bring out the point and ever clarify the point, say me, my intention will be joining this struggle and I will kill my fellow brother. Now me I be the personal person I find the gang attack for Bangkok. That be feel malaxed them very well. I drawn a small strategy. Now me I be the train from Bengwe with the Kum right to Bali. Back to Post Center and I be the train all them. I train all them how to fight war, teach them all things, give them more talent. Because when you get enemy, where if you use gunshot, come it up or play with day, you get away to take an attack you. If you get enemy, where if you come on a road, can attack you.
So I will just leave the audio so. I'll leave and so. I be telling you, repeat, ADF, no be na better people. For the day one, ADF never ever fight. For say one fight, say liberate home like the team camp. ADF never ever. For day one, ADF have fight against their own developers come because they became map. Ayubacho, you man, I know very well. Ayubacho, they give some people they will come and give Ayubacho gun. Me they tell now. They give a gun. May go bring fighters for Nigeria. Terrorists for Nigeria for can't terrorize people they are picking them because of it. Do one go disarm they calm them. May they not the great control so they can negotiate with the government because in case of people for the government they walk back with them and then they fear no man will tell the truth. Mona know very well. Mona know the simple truth. Cameroon na all here. No be na one man get them. I want to show Ayuba no. Oh, when I do that with grandma with show Ayuba know all the business. The time of will proof all the thing them. We no fear no man for show Ayuba they are team where they do am. I want to tell you here very well. Now fake business. The day we go negotiate, I want to take about here very well. We two go pick gun back. We go form different group. Since when I level down, I want make people they out there black the day out they go see sports at the different group. If another day tomorrow, they tomorrow. Maybe I tell you, you no go ever go. People no go spill their blood. When I talk say, when I want make some magu, she don't show Ayuba and negotiate for back. Ayubacho, I want to tell you say, when I call the party say, you no go work. You don't fail. The day make Cameroon government go ever think of that one for dialogue with any person for Europe. It means say you don't tell the whole Cameroon and they say no. For form rebel group, na the best thing. All man will go into it. the more sad the country go be. We know na plenty of my one that the government do am. But one take Cameroon government say no. It go right for up the year, far for the presidency, the year say no. There are people they say on a cabal that they instigate this thing. They re sponsor for the terrorism and for the diaspora. Now for gang here day. For inside the military government, so people they inside. I speak the truth. If you look at the reality, when some people don't call, look at they get started there when they do them. They send some particular boy themselves and go for Nigeria. That when some play don't call, they say come back. They can't hit in the play, they run go back. May they pump more money, say the play never call. Now they started that way, it did. That's a bit that never say, they will ever vex and fight for person where if the one make please come because they didn't turn a business. But I don't blame them. I blame now we, the population, that they come on as a way will be instigating for day one. I blame now we, not be not them. That is why they see turn back to them say, if we the population, we stand up, we take away this thing. That man when they make million, no make them again. Now we introduce them for you. You don't take an advantage of ourselves for making money. That's a bitter truth. That is why they see turn back, push out the population. So we get a duty to stop this nonsense. Any man, any village, any town get a right for fight for a right for move other people for that bush. May they live a good life. If it wait the government a lie, I swear to God, na lie man no fool you. That is why I say we media every day for forgive and intelligence. If we get many people the way they be corrupted, they send about them bullet. That's the bitter truth. We get what they said and they gone. They don't catch a time and again in the non preparing. Yes. So when they get people for when they catch and they go release them for back. That's what they did because they make business. 1 AK bullet 2,500 for 1 AK bullet. If you get 1,000 pieces, how much? Now business. Me I tell you now, the only way you can do you the Amba boy say you stupid and dull. You make money for different money. If you say again a sense, leave that thing. Must stop all the nonsense. Must stop them. Because people talk about say peace. If no one look from this thing them, how is the worker? We know do. There's a question when me I want to ask them for out here. Una feel how it's a disgrace for you as somebody where you say that you protect peace and integrity of this country like a military man or so ever where you be. Ask yourself, say, how many should they gone? They come up from Nigeria, enter Cameroon. Where we get border for water, we get military for water. How you do pass? You should not be incompetent. That's the bitter truth. How many should do pass? Because there is a business inside. Manoza one said, if you look Amba boy where you shoot, look that cup for military bullet. Look the military bullet. Look that Amba boy bullet. Now, different serial number. Nigeria AK bullet get different serial number of Cameroon AK bullet. That's the truth. Maybe I tell you now. Even the AK-47, Cameroon AK, they different from Nigeria AK. Nigeria AK na Bao AK. If you see Cameroon AK, they different from Nigeria AK. That's a bitter truth. This thing is business. The government need for she done down. Put yourself together and ask yourself all the questions there. Year and year, money the people they suffer every day for ground. That is my problem. Let the government pay attention to when they're supposed to pay attention. May they look to it. But there are people there because they want to make money, they want to make end. Mommy, papa them, and they tell us say, we not get the responsibility. We get people for the government where they be genuine. The day, yes, we get people where they be genuine. Where if you get good fact and good point, just send the intel. We go post that for that one way. It be good. We know they go clear off that one. They get a free kunkum. That's a bitter truth. You save yourself. When a person share button, I just come out as I digress because I get makes of my head. Now this point of these boys them. When I press more shares, I need more shares. I need more shares. But I don't get more. If you don't end the live broadcast, so I need more shares. I don't need people watch. I need more shares. But we get many people that need more shares. Now shares one. They don't have personal share, but share for any place if you share. I want to create fake profile account them. We not begin to share. They go viral. I want to talk of now. I'm going to have the direct point now for a message. So waiting. The how Amba boy if you surrender, how if you save your life. The point because we get some case where so one boy they come out from Bole area that side for Meme subdivision. They come out say they call Panambere. They talk for Nambere say they want give up. We talk for us okay no problem. Now a very good idea. Now the picking they don't talk off for we una you understand where they come out. Waka they lost they call we again. One only year. Now today they got no more than 1 month. They begin they come out, they come for Kumba, they go for high court for go make ID card. When I went, you see madness. I don't know that bang or the smoke. He go for court for Kumba for go make ID card. They put in hand for there. When they put in hand for there, they few they carry the other one and they go show play their other brother they Military don't carry all them the day for brigade. Now then this, where you don't already get our number, you dey communicate. I want to tell you the boy them today. Maybe I tell you the call people say one give up. Check your sense. Maybe I tell you if you come out say one can give up, it means that boy they get their plan for make ID card, run can for dollar or you're on the card, they live normal life, they terrorize people, they do atrocities, they pay the someone they plan year and year, do atrocities there. Now they are mapped every day. It means they one can for surrender. When you feel rich, right for Kumba, right for you go right for court for government ID card, don't mean that witchcraft that. They are not correct, not correct. One blood job point their hand, they put them hand. But for camp with the answer that you don't need ID card. Yes, you don't reach out there. When you go for one police station, you go hand over yourself. Me, I tell you something. If the Amber Boys surrender for any police station, they treat it very well. We there out there giving this direction how we go. The people they give you the direction. It could be very bad for me to get direction and not give you. They will she don't quite say me go lose his life. It is very bad because people do give you the direction. That is the reality. They come up for go to their own different selfish interests. They put them hard. They go face the thing. That's a bitter truth. We don't tell on authority. First of all, what I make you Amber Boy listen to me today. Authority. They will surrender. You never do me no good. You never do Namere no good. You never do Kawai Ani no good. You never do Betus no do good. You never do Joel no good. You never do none of you do active in any good. You never add nothing for my life. You know nothing for my life. Now for your own good. Maybe I put them in no very well. I then again 5 francs for your head where give up. I do what I do not genuine. Out of love. Not 5 francs, no payment. If you do, I don't save in your own life. I don't save in your own community. You don't save in your own people the way you will see terrorize them tomorrow. You still go kidnap their papa, mommy. You know, kidnap francophone. No, you kidnap now your brother. You rape now your sister. Now English now francophone person. No, now they suffer. Now we. So many know when you give up, you never do me no good. If you feel no, true, you don't want to surrender. When you call me or you call me, you surrender. You don't give me money. No call me. Remain you for bush. Remain. I wish you the best. Hold that gun, hold and fine. I wish you. But no wait. I don't need for hurry. And if we don't make a finish with you, case go nowhere. Hold on. No come out to hold on. I wish you the best. But your day go break. You never do me nothing. You don't do me yourself good. We don't tell us we want surrender. We are out here to help people. I tell you something there. The bitter truth in that say waiting. We be very popular. We be well known. We not live in Cameroon here. For the both French, Francophone, the both French and Anglophone section, people know we will be open. People know we in out of this country. That's a bitter truth. We be well known. You don't fit for some place where one guy give away, but he talk with me. To where they call me, reach for any more say military man catch you for some place. There is no military man will call you for Norway or Southwest or if you don't know me. At least not be an orbit. Few the big man must know me. They must find for call. As I said, you talk with this person, yes. They must follow investigations. Okay, this person, so you talk with this person. So you talk with me, show the person your number, show him. It gets some cases of mommy, they catch a picking for limb when I tell her when I amber. The mommy they call me, tell me, say, well, don't catch a picking, no, maybe I say, mommy, what am I about? Maybe I do it. Yeah, picking no call me. When they don't catch it, go show number. I mean, means you're not dull. They must call me. And when they call me, never talk about say, Papa, this man is not me, you. That's a bitter truth. Save your life. If you give my number, you call me. First of all, I tell you something. If you take your phone, you call me. You say, my brother, I want to surrender. 11:20. Before you reach for place, I already make call. No man they touch you. No man they do you anything. Before I reach for that place, you reach. Me, I don't make call. When I for Kumba, you then, I for say you then, I for say you bonge, you say you want to give up. No, sir, I give you 5 francs and money to call him. No man will give you money. Just tell me, I go take my phone and make call directly for the place where you did. Any people they control the military, you know, say this kind of person, the camp, with the kind of people them, where they come and leave you quiet, no one they touch you. That is what we did out for assist to now. We did out for assist to now. I don't know what they put ourselves for more stress. Because we get different top them. It face a rot. We don't tell you, if you don't get the way, we get churches and plenty, pastor the day for day, Catholic priest the day for day. We get chief council, they go quarter heads. If you fear for go directly for the military camp, meet us one other person or quarter test for palace or one give up. If you go for the gendarmerie them, you need that for the power when I mean at one give up. They go say you go say they will treat you. If you me, I lie you. Ask any person you don't give up, try to treat you. They will take care for you. They say when Amber Boy give up, military they glad very badly. They be happy because they don't be confused. They don't fool una for nothing. We don't tell una this thing time and again and again and again. You know if it come out, you don't be more than 1 month. If you plan and then go for prison for say one go check something, you want go check some person there for they one come on, you see that other one in the road. You see now what did happen? You see that you go check if chase them for prison. Maybe what they talk to na say na play. Me I like to do my thing the reality. That I will set example for the other one there. When the government will give pity for move them, they move them because military tribunal already take this thing. You come up for go make ID card for go francophone zone. You visit where you surrender, you don't make ID card. You don't make the ID card. They will disturb you. Ask some ex-combatants, what I did for that? Did I send one come out, man, not disturb you? No, man. I can say, don't go, you want to go someplace. So, man, ask them where they go. You know the working, no, man. You give up. When I say most of the people that don't give up, they say Kumba, to talk about every day and night. That's a bitter truth. You want to come out, you want to make ID card. You be over who? I said, the boy, they get wish, eh? Some of the boy, they get wish plenty for their belly. Baby wish. Now they food and this. Now then this. They visit over there. They want to live normal life for dollar Yaoundé. After they don't come and trust for people, if you people will be done, well, if you people be get sense, that sense if you go make ID card, me I get my ID card, people get an ID card. You will get that sense, people you will get sense, people they will say wait. You feel people don't think about that thing where you think about go run go remote dollar Yaoundé. You feel the others and where they give up to the door at all. You don't think before you. They be get ID card there for you go. But look at it, not the best way. Get them, do the right thing. When I don't come out, you carry witchcraft for your belly. You go for court. The very court where you go for go Bonham. That very court for Kumbade. When I don't struggle for Bonham. Yeah. So I thank una. So una person I share button. Yes, ma call Igwe. Igwe say ma call you. Una bear with me. Una press on a share button. Una bear with me. Una bear with me. So now the reality then that way it is. So those are the stupid dullness where some of that they put them on a head. When I put them on a head, when I tell people not to get that idea. Yes, Igwe. Hello. That network be very, very bad. Una countryman want put something for una, but they want talk for una. They believe they will talk for una because network the one worry. The network is too bad. So una press una share button. My sister struggle for call you. You know, so a network for Cameroon here get where we did. So na just endure some more. So that is it. So now the thing that way people the face and for gang here. Most of them know this thing then. We need to talk about so why just talk. People don't put their life there at risk for their own benefit. But now they turn because I get different ideology for my brain. Now first I get sense past people. Now first I have reason. You reason past me. You reason past people there. If people they drop their guns, they don't at all. If they no, don't think. If you fight past some people, we fight past some man. They talk to me every blessed day and night. Every blessed day and then the 1 year. Yes, Igwe.
Thank you so much for picking up my. Yes, I want to just add something about that particular topic where you did talk about for that begin the way they arrest them for Kumba.
Yes, Igwe.
Yes. You don't show their picture for me. I'm not sure say the people them because I've been watching live. I'm not sure say the people that actually see I'm fine. Make sure say if you want to show people then something for screen.
Yes.
This particular.
And it gets you great network. So network you worry. But the network, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, go on. They get you. And they get you. Ah, shit. You can more retry the call again. Sorry about that disturbance in our network. Okay. Okay, Igwe, if you go on now. Hello? The network don't balance more. I might try to call you back. So as Igwe be the talk, I will show now the picture back again. so that Mona get them very, very well. Now, no say, for here, we get some kind of bad network where they worry. So, it's not my fault. So, as soon as they join, when I press on a share button, yes, the countryman, they come again for talk with una, for make a Mona understand. So, now, I do what the past to my papa and for grand this speaking, I don't know what's a problem. I don't know. We're supposed to be very happy to get we. That's a bitter truth. That's a reality. You don't hear? That's a reality. I don't know why one of the we own body when talk and say na proudness. That's the reality. We'll be famous. There is no place you will go, you ask a club, you don't know me. We'll be famous, but even so, when a minister of the country, that's the reality. Not as so the talk saying as on proud, no. Because we want to help una. Because one wanna see the point. Now that they be famous, I be famous, they be famous, better to be famous. In and out of this country, home and abroad. That's a reality. We be famous. No person don't know me. No person. But una go come out, una do una own nonsense. Then when they catch una, so then at time we won't realize them before they sue una for day. It is rather unfortunate. It is really pity. Me, I show you the picture again, fine. Very pity. Very pity. Now then this. Now then this. So the mommy papa, now then that so. Now don't see no. The mommy, the papa them, when they know the picking them, picking them that they don't just marry. They catch them. They want to make ID card when they be Amba never surrender, they catch them. Now when they see me, I feel pity enough for even come out today with this. With this. Una feel say waiting. No can surrender because any man will come for surrender, you don't feel come out to make ID card. Person where you say, DDR, I want to tell you something. DDR, and then they work for DDR. DDR, no be now a prison. DDR, no be now a military running. But I say Cameroon na a country where they go in globalize something. When the military they go out on operation, they see us so that they will take you. They put here for the commission of disarmament. That is how they operate. That's the reality. You know the armor where they do chakara. That's what they now. Person where they for Boya. Inside Boya Fako. If he Koni run carry for the center directly. Come say even if fear can't drive for the center say Papa, me I want surrender me I be that kind of man. If he hide their gun, the way they did for Boya, take their gun, put them for some back, dig some play, hide them. What are you empty? Those corner. You can't if you fear for go directly for gendarmerie, go directly for the DDR center. The coordinator is there. Your brother is there for there. They will take you. For instance, if you ask come out surrender, you be Amber boy, no, you won't give up. We don't give up. That if you take the military now, say, Papa, I hide my gun for some place, we'll go take her. The military will draw their program, you go with them, you go take the weapon. You know must come out with the weapon, hide them somewhere. And if you want to come out with the weapon, wait, I say, no one come out on a 10 on a 15, you call. I'll just make a call. We make a call somewhere. Before the one reach. Baby, the camp you and my boy, no hold the gun for your hand. Una look back, put it inside the back, hold on for your hand. Una the work account. No problem. Even I enter the motor, even I left for meme side, una one camp for Kumba. Una fit break some motor for road. Una put it inside back motor na lock am. Not also they tell motor the camp. No man, I said no military man no go touch your clothes. Before I reach, I will prepare the ground for you, be successful for you, for pass. No stress. I don't know how the woman people tell on this thing there. We don't overclaim over sense. The one that they fall for choky. Overdone and boot, my brother, they might tell now. No fee say, you do me some good. You do me good, as I tell you. And they get nothing for anybody so when they give me nothing. Nothing. Let me I tell you. People they work for a DDR, they get a salary, they get a budget. I'm not working for them. I'm not working for anybody. I deserve for 7 of my brother. That's the bitter truth. But I get my own small connection the way I feel do 1 or 2 things that will help you to play where you did. But when they catch you, I don't get no business with you. I sit down, I know very, very well. If they catch you, I don't get no business with you. You face the wrath. You face the law. Nobody's above the law. You face the law. If you want to come out, you call me. When I get my number, each time and again, everybody will get my number. That's why I say give you again. 681 60 26 76. 681 60 26 76. That is it. You call me. If you don't call me, call you want to call your brother. Most of the day when some man turn away to happen for background. So for that they will DDR center. They will record them for bush. Though BBB they take their phone call me say clone now. I say fine. I say master, I get some problem. I say which problem? You say boy I get some one make come up for bush, but I need the assistant. I said, what should I need my assistant? I said, no, I want me to do one call. I said, okay, no problem. Since you want to come out, no problem. As he don't call me, so sometimes people all will work together. Sometimes some people and get issue, and later we betus. If it's Joel, the weakness, people know about me, they call me, they want to give up. And he calls Joel. I said, Joel, take this number, call this fighter, may receive it. That's what they work. Because I know the Bamenda. You live on any place, you can call me, I help you. I will call the escort of this asset of Bamenda. I get their number. Most of them get their number. We talk every day. I will relate you to them. Because I say, Joel, it be best for Bamenda. Because I never be Bamenda. They don't call me for help you. I will call person. I was okay, no problem. I say, one go. I was okay, Joel, call this number. This kind of person want to talk with you. Most of them father just call me say, "Una want Joel number? I give una. Una want my number? I give una." That's a bitter truth. If you someone will come with Lebi Alem, I go relate them to Betus. So I go call Betus right from Jan. Betus go call me. Say, "Chloe, do now how do one?" I say, "No problem. Maybe you want come on, no problem. Since where he get trust for you, you just do the call. May pass." That's what he did. Because I want the best for you guys. But I don't know why they keep on the suffer themselves every day. Didi I not a prison. Didi I not as the first man. Didi and I have voluntarily your willingness for come for them. As you come for them, get your amnesty. You can do whatever you want. You can go to the street, do anything, work at you any place, no matter the pollution around. The only person where it be a problem with surrender they are born there for bush, you can never understand. Because you go play with this, you want to end your life. Because it's dull. For Cameroon, you don't get your time. Many experts that testify for you, you can see reality. If you go send away one commode, you don't get ID card. At least you take permission. So you go the kind of place, they'll issue you some paper, they stamp them. You reach on any police station, you show them. They don't leave you pass suffering. That's what you did. You don't get ID card. But when you come for the ID card, the government take up to responsibility for make ID card. For boys them. They don't say any boys. They treat them bad. What are the lie people? My brother them. I believe I don't tell them very well. I don't understand. Now a choice. I don't tell them how to surrender. Just they all over state chief council them, quarter head them, meet up any elderly person. If you fear for government, may take your hand go military. If you fear say they go finish with you, say you fear military, take your picture, send them for me, send them for any person. Say, boy, I want to go give up. Tell the person where carry go to say, may snap you where the fear, say may snap you, or take you small video. When I go for there, it was okay. This kind of person there for the police station, he want give up. He send the information, who broadcast them. If you defeat they'll end you for day. So that if you be popular, nobody will not to fear. What is a problem? What do you want? That is it. If you let general the fear for come out for bush, you know this kind of thing there. My brother, amnesty there for everybody. Then look what you don't do. Ministry don't compromise Amber don't compromise ministry. Now vice versa. We look for a way for a solution by saving the few lives. If you let general the fear for come out, call my phone. Say, Claude, I want to come out today. My boy them. If you be genuine, we'll make 1 or 2 calls. Or even make even a video. You send them, say, I want to come, my boy, and read this, so they want to come out. As soon as be genuine, you take motor for any place, no man will break you for road. Call will pass. That's the reality. You get your amnesty, you live your normal life. You all man pass that very procedure. No man will come up with offer for down. All man pass that very good. So my responsibility I will tell you if the way for save your own life. Say independent, no day. They don't get them very well. Attack on very much. But no say when you surrender, you save in your community. Maybe I tell you the bitter truth. You the Amber boy there for bush. Now you fit end this thing. Maybe I tell you. Mommy watch me. Now you fit end this thing. You the ex-combatant. Now you fit end this thing. No be not any person. When you drop your gun, that thing don't end. Look and say no. If you not commence for bush so crap today. You tell me say which person go die get for inside no rest and rest. No man. You don't save now people they are stressed. Life will come normally for day. You to live your own normal life. The very people that they be welcome will take you back for the community then. Come on, you apologize. Oh man, they do mistake. Show me one person for the guy that you know I do mistake. Oh man, they do mistake. My brother them. And they see tell the reality say there is nothing like independent. We don't try our best. We be angry, yes, more use our brain. I thank you very much on a press on a share button. I'll end the live broadcast so Now we know na countryman. I just can't lie for just can't enlighten one or two things wait till it happen for background because we be transparent. Yes, we be transparent. Na thing will happen again for Kumba for guest house for Kumba where the Amber Boy they them 8 they come up go thief 1.7 million 1.9 million. They broke some boy head. The person take care for the play the manager. They knock out we gone. They take him. Now they find that. As far as that's all the things that will take place. We only talk, only one look, wait till we dey for our front. Because one sick power, any man talk, you own go left, go right. We don't know waiting. Nothing. But I already tell now. Say Ayubacho, that your map, I see there with you. ADF, I share for now. Una change different method, you know work. So una realize na waiting. Can na two maybe correct waiting inside the so-called terrorism for Ambazonian. It is being created by most of the foreigners. Yes. Ayubacho no say boy no dey get for ground. He don't employ take small gun them wey don't make babak business. He want go take some assassin them from Nigeria for come for Cameroon for our country. When that boy they come, I know what it happen. Me I turn as one team. When they come, what will be happen as already? We don't get first. Thank you very much. Yes. So if what me I digress some more, the two will get them for down here where it be lead right to a visit conversation. Man tell now. They will go tell they take that money for Sorobat. They go bring some people from Nigeria. They pay them millions. So the one can for military. Where are these small Curtis guy there? The guy they come out for one battle, the yellow gun sound. They say, oh boy, not prepare for this one. No. They run come back. They say, oh boy, I get mine. Look at me. This is about a noise. They say, oh boy, I get mine. No fit. They run come back. You know what they start do? They start go around from Bai, from Marumba, where they do part divine, late divine. They start sleep woman them anyhow. If you want to talk, they shoot boy over their foot, shoot amber boy over their foot, shoot boy them anyhow, shoot gun them. They just be to for air, shoot gun them, chop people that think them tire. To ride people they go they leave and take them, come again with the quarter. They start the force get them. They rape plenty get them. This go take that very fighter and bring again for Boa Bakundu. Say my body got them. You know what that boy they do? This is see my woman. Go knock door for 2 o'clock night. Move my woman onto a bed. Go sleep with her. Tell me who can I witchcraft that? Even now you do watch me now. You go sleep with your woman onto a bed. Man can't knock door because the amber fighter. Can't move your woman onto your own bed. Go sleep with your own eye. You want to issue to kill her. You want to issue your foot. You know fit talk. Now what's that? Now the fighter, they want to part by the marginalization. You know pass them. The boy they come in, can't associate for Cameroon here. Because of what you know be Cameroon running on them. They say, oh boy, come make that money. Oh. No there for laugh. We come make that money. Now they are mad that because the money there for here. Because we amber boy on overdull. You go bring foreigner for your own country. You expect say wait he go do you how you brother them. If it end with you no get time, after you no relate with you, you'll go back for your country. If they work as bush full of making money, so that's in that way they for gang here. So Ayubacho in map, now say one go hire assassins for Nigeria, for other with the so-called ADF terrorist group, so they will terrorize the population more. But I want exposing now sunshine that. Now you ADF their plan that, they don't get fighter. That is a propaganda. He get play on magu for some small corrupt people inside the government. They send small gun with baba with small dirty bullet them. So that you go hire some more assassins them, they will come for ground, they will go disarm other camp, they end other group them for other side. So that tomorrow Ayubacho now will come out, come so KB Pro, now get more guns on ground. But you know go. Now the amount that get an answer I tell na namo na here very well. ADF na bad luck. When I don't hear, all they are the same. So I thank you very much. I just come live, we can show now the evil and the atrocity the way they happen. I be telling my live because I say how Amber will surrender. But I don't digress you now more because I get more vibes for you now for educate for tell my people them may they know where to ready. It go on. So we will do our information and free of charge. We need to ask no money. We help our brothers them. Yes. So anything you want to talk, you talk. So I want to say Clovis, they don't need to kill, to do the may I tell you something. There is nobody on earth who will live forever. But my little chance I get them, I will take and do a great job by saving my brothers and sisters. If you care, use your own for different thing. Any man get a choice. I decide to take the part and you never stop me. That's the bitter truth. And then the fear that he say, I don't see all things for the ground. What you want fighting me? More face for one fighting me now, wait, you now die. Consummation. I never say I'm tired. So if I fought today, what's the day? That's a new thing. No Martin. The one that know the 4 I pass them. No. I just say that by God's grace. So you know if you take my life, I'm not if you take me. I know the beef mafia the past. I know all the game with the inside. That is it. If you care, now go plot, now they go plot for back. Me, I know all that game with the past for back. But now small. We stand for our people and we stand for our people. I thank everybody. I thank Sam. At times, no, I might digress more. When I should done so, I did look my life. When I see Amber Boy sleep for down, you know what I did look at? I didn't look at that Amber Boy sleep for ground there. I look at say, I have to sleep for ground. So that's the reality. When I see some Amber Boy sleep for ground, I didn't look at that boy. I look at myself, child. If you be na me, if you be na my brother, if you be na, you don't know what I said. You also look at. If you all get one thinking for our brain, we go struggle for bring it in. I'm here to tell the bitter truth. For end this madness is simple. If everybody do a job, that's the reality. It is simple. So I thank you very much. I appreciate everybody for sharing. I thank the king of all the black lives because if I look the amount of lives where the black lives don't save them, and she done so, I look so. That she done so, I go look I look people that are picking them. Handsome young man them, handsome boys them with bright future. They will don't waste them just like that. See small girl them, small boy them, young boy got all frustrated. I say, child, Papa God, who really bring this man called country man? Who bring this idea for the people that they bring us? They want from the association to say black like. Who bring these people? I said, I know for day now. Una don't ever she done down. I don't know what about whatever she done down. Una ask una self, say no. If this country people, countryman not for day at all, first of all be. You don't ask yourself that question. Then ask myself that question. Say first of the country for be. Because Cameroon government weak in communication. The country for turn upside down. That's the bitter truth. Yes. And say first of for be. What's the country for be? Even about the black legs them, ask yourself what's the country for be. What's that for be? I also ask myself the question. What's that also for be? Sam, Papa, may God bless you. May God bless you for everything. And I thank the head of state. Look at me. I want to tell you one for all una Cameroonian them. Una year. Una pray. May President Bobia not die now. I swear to God. Because when you me at the Siam, Papa God of Nazareth. Then Papa die now. You see that Mama make a for that bush now. Papa, Massa, they don't even know, They don't even know. I tell you the bitter truth. They don't give me that Papa die. That Papa good. That Papa na Pope. And then Launa. That Papa na Pope. Forget that noise. People talk. Forget that noise. That Papa na Pope. No man need good for ultimate. See that Papa. Just for the fact we give amnesty. Appreciate it. Just for that one. You don't ask yourself, you let us come and say no. If it's enough for day for those side. Now true, so you be fight for something. But you don't try, leave them so. Ask yourself all those questions them. My brother them, who go know what to be the enemy. So I just come out to tell una very well. I thank una very much. I will end the live broadcast so that maybe I don't over digress. At least the live broadcast don't go to an hour now. So time and again will come live for tell una. So I did my necessary for come live so they for tell una. Yes, many people ask me, I get responsibility to say my brother in your life. I don't care. Yes, I don't care. Because I believe for life, when you do something, you find people more criticize about you. You don't criticize about you, meaning do not find thing. So I thank you very much. I want to put up on head say, President Paul will be declared war for no man. I don't care show the simple truth. I'm a thief. Na lies telling, propaganda. That's the reality. My brother there, una think check sense. So I thank you very much. Una press on a share button. Anytime we una join, press your share button. Anytime you watch them, press your share button. I thank you very much for una support, for una anything, for una everything that they give them. My brother them, I believe I don't tell you the simple truth. That's the reality. Now only we few if we decide to take the risk. We know. That is why we don't decide for help now. So if I see you, you talk their rubbish, you talk to advise me, do this. First of all, once they coach me, tell me, say, if you give me money, if you do me this, if you do me that. I tell the papa, you want give me, why that one for go help you give money, give that thing? I tell you, similar say, I tell you, I hungry na money. I don't get na money. But for need na money, for remember for down there, for shang, for that forest. I still do the business what I do because I get conscience. This is a bitter truth. I not be the, see. I not ever ask person 5 francs I give it today. Make person tell me how much you give me. No man, today. That's why the sister talk about don't laugh. People must talk. But God knows for heaven. Say me, Clovis. I thank if I wear clothes today, I do something today. Today they know me. Today they know me today not because of who? Countryman. Yes. Because of him. Appreciate that one. When I know it today, all better the honor to countryman. So anything I get them from today or anything for corner, that countryman. Yes. How many overall think about them? Now they only be happy to see what it happen. For when I share na problem. Now they only watch them for share na issue. Now they glad. Now to sort of talk nonsense. That boy first when I begin with how much? Now begin how much? They never open and want talk rubbish. But in life people must talk. So I thank you very much. I get plenty of things that will talk much live and so that we'll continue next other time. So when I join me on a personal share button, Igwe, Asaloyu, I thank all the black legs for their support. I support you 1 or 2 ways. Thank you for everything. And I do a marvelous job. Yes. We will use all the award them for the educate the others. And therefore they are back with trip. No shaking. My foot there for the back. Sam. And therefore on a back. Yes. That is why I want to make that statement for Namber and I say ADF over bat. And every kind of amount of soil in the road waste time for ground here. Because I swear to God, I bitter truth. Even now me, Clovis, I be catch a fang so. I swear to God, of a YP. All that groups on, we say for dang this on. We're not ready to catch them. We're not able to end all them. I will compromise all them because you know why? So what is not doing for we for gang? They were for the whole Southwest now. They drive ADF home. The one they want to hit the wipe arm. I will come for end the whole week. I will bar. Me I tell you no. Then meet up am. He meet up rock jam rock. He pack am for draw na run away run no be pass. Kunkumize other one there. Me I tell you no. It's a very bad group. We formed by Ayubacho because he get a map. He was just be very greedy and selfish. That young man, a musician, you know, be selfish out. I pity all I follow now. The way my people are picking their hand them, mark them. They say don't turn an animal. They are all picking to live good life. And so Amber Boy are stupid for the hate. Now check sense. You see now for Europe now. I tell now one thing now. You see, oh now, I swear to God, I tell now this one, when I get enough for settle on with we. Yeah, fine. I the wait for ground here. So now go now, they'll pick them for street. I swear to God. Let me tell you now. Now see video. I the wait that day. Now see video. I the wait them at the bonnie final. We don't have to make our own. We're going to make money for back. You see me? I cannot be intimidated by anybody. No man of intimidate me. Because I stand for the truth and I will die for the truth. My brother, they suffer every day. I stand for their behalf. And you, if you say no, you dare have to make your money, continue. But no say no. And then they fear nothing. What's you know, I never say, who can go on a normal AK go show me a shit. Before I show AK with my phone, say me and your man go sleep first. And then make that thing. But see me, I stand for my brother there for Buja, they suffer every day. That is my problem. That is my target. Those poor innocent boys suffer every day. They are poor people. They be brainwashed. Those are my target. They are my brothers. I still repeat, I'll tell the Cameroon government, say, wait, the solution for this nonsense, this terrorism, lies in the hands of the ex-combatant and the poor civilians on ground. May the government pay attention. May the government pay attention. Spend more on the disarmament and pay more attention on the ex-combatants. they get the solution for this situation. If the armed body give up today, now thanks to the ex-combatant them, and thanks to the country people them, the black legs with their effort, the joint collides. Now we disnominate this, who be me, would work the same together with the black legs committee to bring out a result. That's the solution. No, I see the person, no man, no Joe, no minister, no people picking for bush, no one day, because the boy don't fed up with them. Because of their incompetence, most of the elites them is strong. That is why see Amba will ever die because of it. People that we are facing out there. Because I face alone a problem. This is a bitter truth. Tell the body look as my brother this so. Anyhow we did, me I check out. Me I check out. It process for you, they watch me every day and this is a flop. That's the reality. Now no matter of time, it go reason. We need to continue to put that thing for here. He go one day understand. Even lion be big so. I mean the elephant. Now what you kill it na fly. Go put it for ground. Continue to put it talk for here. Before you realize yourself. It's not easy. It's not easy, but it must come to real. That is the reality. So my country people them, more una no say no, una no rely on effort, una press una share button, una match fire because una the help na una brothers. If the peace come today for Northwest Southwest, nobody as a minister don't enjoy. Now me and you, they come out, they enjoy the peace. Now poor people enjoy the peace. Nobody that's on Geo, nobody that's on minister, nobody that's on commissioner. They get their money them. They get budgets. Now we the suffer. Now we they come out the suffer. So more realize it in the data said. More forget about report government. Government, me and you, what you don't do for the government? It's a question I want to ask you. What did you ask me what I don't do for the government? The Amber Boys suffer for bush every day, so they finish with you. You like them? You want make all them they finish all? Make they compromise all them? You go pay, you go treat you. They don't get waiting now. Okay, for now, if you finish all that boy, they will bush all. For now, they come up with dialogue now. You go gain weighty. Because now you want to chop. The boy they fight for them to go chop. Never human being. But they don't fight all fight. They don't suffer. So you want to chop for your behalf. Why we wicked? You talk the government, what you don't do for help that boy? What you don't do for your country? Who knows the Cameroon get problem? Yes. But this Amber thing at different level. We need for struggle for help the boy out. They will see how we can tackle our problems. The Anglophone problem is there. The government accept the fact, say there's a problem. You don't acknowledge the fact, say yes, there's a problem. But this so-called they don't accept anything they do. No. They want to show you, say the government be willing. The government don't accept, say yes, it don't do mistake. It don't send hand of peace. It don't create a commission with disarmament for help the picking them. But they sabotage. But they make noise. What you don't do for the government? What you don't do for the Amber will save your own life? You like I said he dies so. You like him now? We not continue. But my brother them, I tell you this thing here every day. Now for na choice. And they out for help una. I thank you very much. May God bless you. We end the live broadcast. So thank everybody. The great for the center, did the Center Bamenda, and which everybody, salute all my brother and sister for the day, and which when I say, when I stay strong, when I continue on a good work, when I work behind the scenes, all the one that we are the same, the one that continue behind the scenes, we appreciate, we thank everything, we'll continue, we need each other, we thank you very much. God bless you now.